again, I forgot to mention this. Obviously, you already know. Okay, if you have the image selected on the property inspector, you have the ALT field, which stands for alternate text. Again, this is where you will put alternate text. You can capitalize, you can do whatever, you can use commas, special symbols, whatever, because the screen reader is going to read this alternate field here. Ricky, monitors off, please. Another thing that you need to see is that the HTML code for that, the alternate information, is inside of the image source tag. Okay? All this information is there together as far as size of the image, file name, where is it coming, path information, alignment, border, but also the alternate text is in there. And then if you go to this on page 4.17, you can also configure the alternate text accessibility button. And what that does, let's see here. Yeah, we actually don't do much of anything other than just look at this, and I'll show you right now. Is under Edit, Preferences, and on this window here you have the second category under General, which is Accessibility. And when you're inserting either form elements, frames, media, or images, you will able to actually, the dialog box pop up asking for those for attributes pops up, and that's where you can actually configure it to whether you want that behavior to happen all the time or not. Okay? When you are, I'm going to cancel this out. If I went to Jake's page and I went to insert an image, it's going to ask me to where is this from, and I'll just put a random one. This dialog box is asking me for attributes, and it does that all the time. When I do a form, when I do an image, when I put a movie, it's going to give me these attributes, and it's going to change the contents that I configured change depending on what I'm inserting. If you don't want this to show up all the time automatically, you go to that place to change that. Dreamweaver is any Adobe product is very, very highly customizable. You can configure the behavior of this thing to do exactly what you want, how you want it. Okay, that's it. Let's get